Saxon Phonics, Lesson 50, Assessment 9. Look at Section 1. Let's spell some words. Number 1, make, make, m, a, k, m, a, k. Number 2, came, k, a, m, k, a, m. Number 3, 9, n, I, n, n, I, n. Number 4, use, use, use. Number 5, smoke, 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 smoke. Look at your words you've spelled, 1 through 5. Do any of them have the sneaky E? Check to see if you need to add a sneaky E. Remember, he does not make any sound. When you're ready to move on, look at Section 2. Match each sound to its picture. Here is a picture of a hose, hose, hose. I'm, I'm. Ache, ache. Cube, cube, cube. Concrete, concrete, concrete. Give you about a couple more seconds to fill those in. Then if you need more time, pause the video. Remember, you're drawing a line from the sound to the picture that it matches. Section 3, we are skipping Section 3. 11 through 15, you do not need to do anything to. The next section, number 16. Fill in the alphabet. What goes before B? Blank, B, C, blank, blank. What comes after C in the alphabet? Fill that in now. Now look at number 17. We are still going to fill in the alphabet. What comes after H? H, K. What comes after K? When you're done filling those in, look at the next section. Number 18. Kim lost 3 teeth in class. Kim lost 3 teeth in class. Where are Kim's 3 lost teeth? In the pound, at home, in class. Where are Kim's 3 lost teeth? In the pond, at home, in class. Number 20. Sam will pack Dad's trunk. Sam will pack Dad's trunk. Who will pack the trunk? Sam, Dad, a friend. Who will pack the trunk? Sam, Dad, a friend. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. Then look at the next section. You will need to complete this with a parent or guardian. Read this word for me. If you get it right, put a check mark. If you get it wrong, put an X or leave it blank. Next section. Tell me the name of this letter and the sound it makes. We've been working on these all week. Here is our silent, sneaky E. Remember, our silent, sneaky E does not say anything. So what does he do to the I? And remember what this dash means? We call that consonant. When you're done and you've completed your assessment, please submit it to your teacher.